In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to make a DXF design for the machine. Make a new file, and choose the KT32 template. This template will help you understand your working limits. The red rectangle is the machine working space. Everything you draw outside this rectangle will be out of limit. The blue rectangle represents the table of your machine. You can only place vacuum cups on the table. The yellow line shows you the space occupied by the tool change. Below, you will find some standard vacuum cups. Since there are many kinds of vacuum cups, and you may not have the ones that are drawn in this template, let's have a look at how to design a vacuum cup. Let's start by drawing the outside perimeter of your vacuum. I will draw a square vacuum, 250 by 250. You need to draw the vacuum perimeter for visual reference. When you place the vacuum on your design, you can check whether they are going to interfere with your job or not. After drawing the vacuum, you need to find a point that you will use to place the vacuum in position. It can be the center or a corner. From this point, draw a line in any direction. It doesn't matter where you end the line, because, to place the vacuum, we are only going to use the start point of the line. The machine will place a cross laser on this point, so that you can place the vacuum exactly where you have designed it. Now we will make the vacuum a block. Select the vacuum. Then the block tool. Type a name. And press OK. Your vacuum is now a single entity. This way it's easier to select and move the vacuums around. You can now save this file as a template. Now whenever you make a new file, and you choose this template, you will have your vacuum at the bottom, ready to be placed in your design. I will now draw a small bathtub inside my working space. I'm drawing the perimeter of the stone I'm going to use for this job. I'll now draw a sinkhole. You can draw a new sink, or copy and paste one of your saved sinks. When I draw my sink, I will always make the start and the end lines overlapping. If you do it too, you will not feel where the machine has started your job. Now that the sink is done, I'm going to sign the hole for the tap. I do this with a line, starting from the hole center, and like for vacuums, I can end the line wherever I want. Then I'll draw some lines around the sink. These lines are the centers of the holes we are going to use to fix the undermount sink. Since I want to polish the front edge of the stone, I'm going to make a line on the front. The line is a few millimeters in the stone, because the tools need material to cut and then polish. I will make the line stick out of the stone a little, to make a smoother start and end. Notice how I select the line, then the point, move the mouse in the direction I want to extend the line, and I type how much the line has to extend. This is a faster, but slightly complicated way to extend lines. My job seems ready, but I still need to place the vacuum cups. I will just get some cups with pins, so that I can place my piece correctly on the table. and then a couple of cups to stop the piece from moving around. When you place your cups, you have to remember that depending on the tools you are going to use, you need to keep away from your job 3 or 4 centimeters. Then, we save this design as DXF, because we are going to use it in the next lessons. This is the end of this lesson.